make roux, I'm going to quickly show you. I'll take a pot. I'll put my butter inside. Start this with a very low flame. Very important not to burn the butter because butter ka melting point is very low, so we don't have to burn the butter. As soon as the butter melts, I will add my flour into this. So roux is generally equal parts of flour and butter which are cooked together. I can also make roux and store this. I can also make roux and I can store this. So I'll wait till the time the butter is completely melted down. Temperature is very important. When I make white roux, I'll cook this for around 3 to 4 minutes. And the aroma which I'll get while making white roux is of baking a bread. When we bake a bread, the aroma which comes out will have a white roux of that same aroma. When I make this a blonde roux, I'll cook this for my 3 to 6 minutes. And the aroma which comes out is of roasted nuts. If I cook it further, more than 6 minutes, that will become a brown roux. And the aroma which comes out will be of roasted, like a roasted vegetables or roasted nuts. Alright. Now as my butter is melted, what I'll do is I'll add my flour and I'll continue on mixing it. So a white roux gives me an aroma of what? Bakery, of breads. A blonde roux gives me an aroma of roasted nuts. And a brown roux gives me an aroma of roasting. When we're roasting something, the aroma that comes out is of a brown roux. Continuously whisk this so it cooks evenly. So white roux, what the points that we have to keep in mind is we have to cook it till the raw smell of the flour goes away. Otherwise, if it is raw, we don't like the smell of the flour in the food. So we have to cook it till the raw smell goes away. It will generally take around 3 to 4 minutes. So we're already done cooking it for 2 minutes. We'll cook it for about 2 minutes and then we'll see it. I've already cooked this for around 4 minutes and I can smell something which is like when you bake bread. So the aroma should be of this. I'll take this out now and I'll continue to cook this to make a blonde roux. So now you can see the color is changing. It's been almost 6 minutes that I've cooked this. So the color is getting changed. It's becoming blonde. So I'll cook it for maybe 30 or 1 minute. I'll cook this for 1 minute more. Then I'll take it out. Alright, so I think this is ready, the blonde roux. I cooked this for roughly around 7 minutes. I'll take this out. The aroma is of as if I'm roasting nuts. So I'll take this out and I continue to cook this till I reach my brown roux. So it's been almost 8 minutes now and I think I've reached my desired color that I want in a brown roux. So I'll switch off my gas now and I'll take this out. So we have all the 3 colors of roux. We have white, we have blonde and we have we have done all the 3 colors of the roux. We have a white roux which has a flavor of when we bake breads. A blonde roux, you can see the difference in color. This is white color, this is blonde color. It has a flavor of roasting nuts. And a brown roux, which is when we roast things, we get a flavor like this, which we get from the blonde roux. This I can use to make brown sauce. This I can use to make veloutés. And a white roux can be used to make white sauce. Thank you.